So you're thinking of developing your own film but not sure where to start. I've been there. In my last video, I showed the whole process when I did it for the first time. From getting the film out of the canister to the final photos. It was a roller coaster. Originally, I filmed a section talking about what equipment I used and what bits I might get in future to help, but I cut it out because it just got in the way and deserved its own video. So here it is. Advice can vary on what you actually should buy, but here's what we used in this video. Aside from the chemicals, everything is a one-off purchase that you can reuse later. So firstly, the development tank. This Paterson System 4 tank was made sometime between 1968 and 1981. Here's the original box. We got this second-hand at a camera fair for £5. Then there's the change bag, so you can put your film into the tank without light ruining it, about £20 on Amazon. Then there's measuring jugs, so you can mix up your chemicals accurately. These were about £1 second hand. Then there's a thermometer, which I don't have here, to measure the temperature of the water. Only a few quid if you don't have one lying around. I was using a food thermometer by Thermopen, which are about £40. Then there's the storage bottles. Apparently it's better to get black ones as they help the chemicals you've mixed up to last longer. 3 of these cost about £20 on Amazon. Then this thing, which I'm not sure I ever want to see again in my life, which is meant to make it easier to get the film out the canister, about £6. But I might look into seeing if a more expensive one will do a better job, or maybe it's just me being useless. You want some scissors to cut the film? I'd imagine you have these and don't need help buying some if you weirdly don't own some already. Clips, these are for hanging the film to dry and straightening it out. A plastic tub. This was our water bath to get the chemicals up to temperature. In hindsight, it was probably too big. And of course, you're also going to need the chemicals. We bought the Bellini C41 kit largely because it was about the only thing we could get our hands on. This was £35 and will do up to about 16 rolls of film before needing to be replaced. Things like a temperature control system for the water bath can be an extra £100 or so, but we opted to not splash out on that because enough people seem to suggest it wasn't necessary. After that first go, I'm almost tempted to jump straight on Facebook Marketplace and see if there's one at a decent price. There you go, let me know in the comments if there's any bits of kit you recommend that I've missed. Check out this full video if you haven't already. Like, subscribe, be nice to each other, and I'll be back soon. See ya.